Forum for Creativity was established in 2013. Since then, many renowned researchers participated in its programs. They visited Tohoku University in the beautiful northeastern region of Japan. They gave lectures for the general public and held discussions with junior and senior researchers. Among them, Jennifer Doudna, who won the 2020 Nobel Prize for the discovery of the now famous CRISPR gene editing method. Martin Hira, who won the Fields Medal, the highest honor in mathematics, and Susumu Tonegawa, who won the Nobel Prize in Medicine for his work on antibodies in the human body, which defends us against infection.
When two of these particles collide head-on, we have the most violent collisions between subatomic particles that we can reach today. What happens when these particles collide? Well, that's the interesting question.
Nobel laureates and field medalists not only gave lectures, but gave advice to young researchers on how to develop their own original ideas and potentially win a Nobel Prize themselves in the future.
There's something there that doesn't make sense with the usual way of thinking about things. So maybe one should be thinking in a different way, but nobody so far that I've heard has any new ideas. So there are a few things like that around that I would encourage young people to pursue.
And another Nobel laureate in 1973. What's the secret? Water? I don't really think so. The teachers, it's clear that it's the teachers that matter.
The Tohoku Forum for Creativity is looking forward to hosting many more distinguished researchers in the future. We hope that they will enjoy their time here in Sendai and that their audiences, especially young people, can learn from their experience. In this way, children and students might be inspired to pursue a career in science, and hopefully their discoveries will one day help solve problems faced by humanity and improve our lives.